Hey everyone! I'm so glad you're here, Sparkles. I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm sharing a cozy yet stylish try-on haul featuring a few outfits that feel modern, comfortable, and easy to wear. Let's get into it. First up, this outfit is all about simplicity and comfort. It has a relaxed fit, feels great on the skin, and is perfect for everyday moments when you want to stay comfortable but still look cute. Next, we have a look that feels a bit more elevated. The design and structure give it a confident, fashion-forward vibe without being too much. This one works beautifully for evening plans or special occasions. Last but not least, this outfit is light, fresh, and effortless. It's perfect for daytime wear, warm weather, or casual outings. Easy to style, comfortable to wear, and always a good choice. That's it for today's try-on haul, Sparkles. Tell me in the comments which outfit you liked the most. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Sparkling Heart.